Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be doing a review and an unboxing of this product I purchased a couple of months ago. It is called the UNIQU Lighting Kit 2.0, and this item that I'm opening right now is the wireless microphone. It is not included with the lighting kit, but I did find a promotion code online and got it for free. So I'm actually using this microphone right now to do the voiceover for this video. I like that it's tiny and it has a clip so I can just put it on my shirt and allows me to do like arts and crafts, DIY, maybe some cooking. So it's going to be super convenient because I don't like the earpieces, they just fall off. They don't really fit my ear. What you see me doing here is I'm trying to stick it in there because I didn't know how it worked. I didn't realize this was actually for an iPhone until later. So the product obviously came with this instruction booklet, which was very thin and quite useless because it only had information on the lighting options, the dimming varieties, but it didn't have instructions on how to set it up. And opening this was quite hard and I was afraid I might break some pieces. I didn't know how to expand the arms so that they would stand, so I was really confused. I had to figure it out eventually, but I'm hoping that whoever purchases this, if you watch this video, hopefully it helps. Hopefully you don't break any pieces because some are a little bit flimsy. So you just have to do it very, very carefully. So I really like how the stand can go pretty high. I would say maybe about 3 feet. So it's really good if you're doing arts and crafts where you want to film yourself and then you want to film the item or whatever it is that you're doing. So this piece right here is another part that I was so confused because see those pins, you had to align them properly, otherwise it doesn't go up. Again, I was afraid I was gonna break it because I had to keep playing around with it, which was pretty frustrating, but be careful when you get to this part. Just pull it and take a look at the pins on both sides and then put it in a 45-degree angle and you'll be good to go. So this part here that you just saw, that is the ring light, which is super convenient because you could just take this entire kit with you anywhere on the go and you don't need a separate ring light. So this piece right here is the second arm that also extends. You would put your phone camera on it and it faces down so that it shows your work or whatever project it is that you're doing. So this is what it looks like on the ground, fully extended. I'd say it's about 3 feet if I've got my measurements correct. And this is the power button. The light does have 3 different settings. Like it's got yellow light, blue light, white light, and it has 3 different intensity levels. So this is what it looks like with both arms fully extended. The ring light is fully upright. And I was trying to put it on a 45-degree angle, but for some reason it wasn't staying put, so I'll have to fiddle around with that a bit later. Now this is the second piece I haven't attached yet, and it is for your second camera that would most likely be facing you. Again, the instruction booklet had no information on how to put this in, so I just had to figure it out, and that's what you do, you just latch it on. So what do you think? Is it worth it? I do have a tripod, the larger one, and a ring light I purchased from Amazon, but I thought this is nice and small and portable, but only time will tell if this is gonna last. Well, that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps you out. If you're looking to purchase this same item, and or if you don't know how to set it up, I hope this video helped you out, so you don't end up breaking the pieces. I did pay just slightly over $100, as you can see here, but it came with a microphone, the bag, and the kit. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time. Bye!